In this lecture, you will learn how to continuously update this time on the web browser. That is how to continuously invoke this display date method in our script. Create a new function, call it continuous display. You have already learned and used the set timeout method, which invokes a particular method only once. That is, once the given time period expires, it invokes that method. In this lecture, we will use the setInterval, another inbuilt method or function in JavaScript, which will invoke a particular method continuously. Display date is the method I want to be invoked, comma, every second. You give the time period, how frequently you want to invoke this method. For me, I want to invoke this display date. I want to display the date details every second. So I am passing in 1000 milliseconds. Save it. And we need to invoke the continuous display method when the document is loaded. So change that method call on load. I am invoking continuous display, which in turn invokes display date every second continuously. Go back to the web browser, refresh this page, and now you will see that the seconds, they keep updating, and after it reaches the 5960, the minutes will also be updated. The setInterval method, it will stop by invoking the stop interval method or a clear interval method. Clear interval within our script, or by closing the web browser. Close it. If I come back, open it again, it will load the time again, and the current time is 10:34 and keeps updating the seconds every 1 second.